Alright, you guys. I have a pretty awesome video for you. Something that I thought would never happen. But here I was at the store, and there I see, just sitting, 4 PS5s. I never thought the day would come where I'd actually own one of these, let alone see one in person at the store. I don't even really know how much time I'll have to play it, you know, being a dad and all. But I impulse bought this like there was no tomorrow. So without further ado, let's get into the PS5 God of War Ragnarok edition. Okay, so usually I do unboxings on my desk, but as you can see, there's not much room for this bad boy over there, so we're going to kind of just figure this out on the fly. Alright, unboxing knife, here we go. And we got this nice little tab up here, and it looks like that's pretty much it as far as the boxage goes. And a nice little seal. Oh my goodness gracious. Ah. You have a little PlayStation logo here. And then a little pull tab right there. Alright, we got directions on how to get that box out of there. Alright, let's see what comes in this bad boy real quick before I start busting open all of the other stuff. So you got documentation, some more documentation. This is probably one of the most awkward unboxings I've ever done on this channel because of how huge this box is. You got a power cable. Woo-wee. That beautiful PS5 controller. Oh my goodness. That feels awesome. Look at that. I love the color scheme on that too. White, black with the blue colors. This controller feels fantastic. Okay. In this little hidey hole over here, we have the stand to place this PS5 either vertically or horizontally, whatever kind of mood you're in. Now, to my understanding, the PS5 is pretty huge. I still don't know if I want to put it on my desk right behind me or in the living room. See, the thing is, my desk, it has a 1440p HP Omen monitor. But the thing is, the PS5 just recently, I think maybe a month or two ago, got a firmware update that natively supports 1440p. So that means my monitor, 1440p at 120 Hertz too, by the way. So that may mean that my monitor is actually going to be a pretty decent choice to play some games on this bad boy. So pretty excited for that. I also have the SteelSeries wireless headset that has 2 different outputs that it could connect to. One's connected to my PC right now, which is where I'm gonna play all my FPS games and whatnot, but PlayStation exclusives like The Last of Us, Ghost of Tsushima and all that, I've really been wanting to play for some time and I haven't been able to, so I think we have the solution to that right here. Now, let's see. have the little egg cartons. It really is kind of crazy how big this is until you see it in person. Now, I don't know if I want to put this on my desk just yet or the living room. We shall see. But I don't think I have room for this on my desk or in my living room. See, the thing about my living room is that I have a 4K TV. I think it's 60 hertz, but it only has HDMI 2.0, so it can't do the 4K at 60 high performance and 4K 120, I believe. So, but that, just being able to chill on the couch and play a nice game, I don't know. What do you guys think? Would you have it at your setup like this, or in the living room where you could sit down on the couch and play a nice campaign game? The only problem there though is you know, ruining the wife's shows. On the back here you have USB-A, USB-A, RJ45 or Ethernet port, and then the HDMI 2.1 out and a power cable. On the front you have USB-C and USB-A. I think it's like Gen 3.2 or something like that. Pretty much your fast high output power thingamajig there. An eject button and a power button. And the God of War Ragnarok edition that I got has the physical disc tray, which I personally prefer. I think it does have the digital PS5 version out there, but that one is kind of rare to find. So leave it in the comments down below if you think I should hook this up to my 1440p 165 hertz monitor, which I think is only supported up to 120 1440 with the new firmware update, and it may also depend on what game that I'm running, if it supports it or not, or to my old 4K TV. I don't know if with the 4K 2.0 if it's 4K 30 hertz or 30 FPS or 60. But you know, it's a living room with a couch and I could chill out. When I sit over here and get all sweaty, I'm usually playing you know, Call of Duty on my PC, keyboard and mouse. So maybe I'll play over there, but then again, I have my SteelSeries headset over here, so a lot of decisions. But yeah, this is just a really quick unboxing and a first look at the PS5 with the God of War edition, which I just realized I have not found the God of War. Sad to say, God of War is just a redeemable code where you could scratch to sniff your code right there, as you can see. So yeah, no actual physical disc. Kind of sad to see, but yeah, there it is. Alright, I am going to spend a lot of time updating the firmware and seeing if I want this in the living room or on my desk, and just kind of downloading some games on that. It's just a first impressions unboxing video, so if you guys liked it, if you want to see any more PS5 content, let me know in the comments down below what games I should get. Other than that, I really appreciate you guys stopping by, and I'll see you in the next one. Later.